Well, here's my old Spotify again, but I'm going to turn that down a little bit. Sorry here, I'm on the wrong thing. Okay, so, if you go to my wonderful channel here on YouTube, I have videos, and all the videos are going to be, well, videos for this class. So you'll see Mallet Head and some other ones. So now what we'll do is, to find that, is we're going to go create again. Let me turn it down just a little bit. So always label parts of what they are. So we'll do rectangle peg. And these ones should be relatively quick. The other day in class we talked about making the entire pegboard about 5 to 6 inches. So your peg can't be larger than that, otherwise they won't be able to make it through. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the rectangle peg for it. So again, right click, view to normal, boom. And if you remember the other day I talked about the shortcut, so I'm just hitting S on my keyboard and it brings this up, so I don't have to go back and forth all the time. So right there it is, my sketch, there's my plane, and now again S. It brings up a shortcut, just makes it easier. So there's my rectangle. I'm a big guy, I usually start at the origin. Okay, and you click 1, and I hit enter, and that brings me down this one, and I want to make that one. Boom. Okay, there's my 1 by 1 peg. Now I'm going to go over here and finish it. Once I finish it, I like to see stuff at an angle. Okay, again, I'm going to hit the S on my keyboard, and I'm going to click extrude. And we're going to click that, and we're going to extrude this, I'd say 3 inches. And there we go. I'm going to finish it, and that rectangle is complete. So what I would do down here is I would keep all your parts down here. So for example, I'm just going to hit the plus sign, which is right in this area, and I hit the plus sign, and I'm going to go to Create Part Studio. Okay, I got a rectangle peg. Now I'm going to make a triangle peg. So view to normal. Here I am. I'm going to hit the S to bring up sketch. I want to sketch that plane. There it is. I'm going to bring up the S again. Now I'm going to do a circle. And my circle, I'm going to make it 1 inch. Hit return. There it is. Angle it. For me, I'm going to finish it. Again, bring up S. There is my extrude. And I want to extrude that 3 inches. So, finish. Voila, that one is done. Once you get the hang of this, it ends up being really, really fast. So I go down to the plus sign right here and create. So the only thing I have an issue with here is I forgot to show you this. Is my first one, Part Studio, is called the rectangle peg. I have a circular one called the rectangle peg. I should probably rename this one circle. Okay, and that one should be renamed. Let's see. Oh no, it keeps them all the same. Well, whatever. Or we could just call them pegs. Alright, so let's see what we got here. We got circle and nothing on this one. So let's do a view to normal, right click. Okay, S, there's my sketch. I sketch that one. And now what we're going to do is we're actually going to draw this. Okay, I'm going to start here. I'm going to go over 1 inch. Okay. I'm going to go up here, make that 1 inch, and I'm going to connect this, and you can see there. So now they're all 1 inch, so now I have an equilateral triangle. Make sure they're all equal. If not, it won't work. I believe if I highlight this and I clicked it, if I click equals right there, it makes it. Okay, so I finish it. There it is. My triangle, just like anything else. S brings up my shortcut. There's my extrude, and I want to extrude this 3 inches. if you do not have this triangle equal, you're going to run into a problem of when you make the pegboard toy, actually, because it will not fit in there, and the program will be like, hey, you idiot, you can't put it in there because it's not the same size. So make sure that's always an issue when building this, is you want to make sure it is the right size. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now I have all these parts. The last thing I would do is build the actual pegboard. But I'm going to stop there right now and upload this video. If you have any questions, please email me. Awesome.